Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some information on how you can receive a $10,000 credit card with a soft pull pre-approval. Now, understand when we say a pre-approval, this is a way to show whether you qualify for the credit card without getting a number of hard inquiries. So if you're new to my channel, you like this kind of content for your credit journey and also learning how to leverage your credit in order to make money, please consider to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. I want to also give you guys an offer or invitation because the reason why this is such a great opportunity, if you did not know, when it comes to hard inquiries, it can get you denied for receiving credit. So I had a client that had a 740 credit score and he had 11 hard inquiries and he could not get approved for a credit card. So using this tactic, instead of applying for a number of credit cards, receiving hard inquiries, getting you denied for credit, it is best for your credit to first look for companies like Bankmobile that will give you a pre-approval with a soft inquiry pull, and it will not bring down your credit score. At my website, in the description, if you're a person with a number of hard inquiries, we have a absolutely free package that you can download to help you remove those hard inquiries. So feel free to get that at my website. So Bankmobile is a company that will qualify you, pre-qualify you for a credit card with a soft inquiry pull. And here's an overview how it works. To get the card, you get pre-qualified by answering a few simple questions. Then you apply. If you qualify and complete the application, they will match you with the card that best fits your profile. So always remember, you guys, you want to focus on your credit profile and maybe not necessarily your score all the time. Bankmobile has 2 credit cards, so it'll qualify you for those 2 credit cards if you are approved. Then they will instantly accept your offer and you will get your credit card within 7 to 10 business days. So here is some additional information. The security, what they're saying that you expect from a card with the perks you want. So they give you peace of mind. And then they also include more ways to pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. And it said you keep your hard-earned money, no annual fees. So that is a great bonus, that you will have no annual fees with this card. It said you can go eco-friendly, paperless statements. So that is a good advantage. You don't have to worry about having statements coming in the mail. And they also offer emergency cash advance, credit card replacement. And also they give you a chip technology to provide an extra layer of security. So here is where they're breaking down the rates and also fee summary. Now it's a variable annual rate percentage. So that means it can change. And that's from 14.74% through 22.74%. And like it said before, it has no annual fees. Now they have an additional attachment for this card, and is EZ card. And the EZ card, you will have 24-hour access to your bank mobile credit master account information, plus services that make your card convenient and easy to manage. And also, once you're approved, your account will be reviewed every 6 months for a potential credit line increase. So that is positive, especially for those who are trying to get larger credit lines. They will be reviewing your account every 6 months to see if you qualify for that increase. Also, they allow you to earn points and get rewarded. And they have a program where you would get for a redemption for 1% cash back. So this card does come with cash back rewards, and that is a very convenient point for those that want to buy merchandise, gift cards for travel, and experience rewards at the same time. So that is a great option. So hopefully, if you want to check out this card and some of the benefits, feel free. I will put the link in the description for you so you can go and see if you pre-qualify for this card. So I hope this information was helpful to you. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. If you are looking to improve your credit score, if you have questions for me, my link to my website will be in the description of the video. I am no longer, if you put comments, you will see me to reply, but there was some issues going on all through YouTube with influencers and people conning people out of money, looking for help. So make sure if you want to correspond to me, you guys, go to my website, and your messages at my website go directly to my cell phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video.